If you've been feeling stuck in a cycle of hormonal imbalances, low energy, or concerned about heart disease and diabetes, guesswork just isn't going to cut it anymore. Stop guessing, start testing. That's my most powerful advice I can give you if you want to finally take control of your health. Introducing the Women's Wellness Panel, a comprehensive at-home blood test designed with women in mind. Standard blood work can miss important details, or likely they only test a few markers, leaving you in the dark about what's really going on. This panel dives deeper, and it's covering advanced biomarkers for heart health, hormone balance, inflammation, and nutrient levels, giving you a complete snapshot of your well-being.
Over the years, I've learned that if your body, your foundation, is off balance, everything else feels like an uphill climb. By measuring your levels first, you take the guesswork out of health. You can't fix what you don't measure. That's why the most powerful step you can take is to get precise data on where you stand. I vetted many different tests, but this one stands out. It's easy to order, arrives at your doorstep, and you can collect your sample in the comfort of your own home using the step-by-step instructions. Soon after, you'll receive a detailed report, helping you pinpoint exactly what's going on inside your body. Let's dive into some important health markers that can provide insights into your well-being. First up, for heart health, we assess low-density and high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, as well as lipoprotein A. These markers are essential for detecting hidden risks for heart disease, yet they're often overlooked in regular blood work. Next, we have metabolic health. Monitoring glucose and triglycerides is crucial for understanding blood sugar control and overall energy levels. Now let's talk about vitamin D levels. Low vitamin D can lead to decreased immunity, mood changes, and hormonal imbalances, so it's important to keep an eye on those levels. We also examine the balance between omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. This balance is critical for managing inflammation and supporting a healthy body and mind. Lastly, let's touch on hormones. Key hormones to monitor include thyroid-stimulating hormone, dehydroepiandrosterone sulfate, DHEA, sex hormone-binding globulin, luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. These markers help reveal imbalances that can affect mood, energy, and menstrual cycles. Let's review. This test helps you detect potential risks for heart disease and diabetes. Balance hormones naturally. Boost energy and vitality. Make informed decisions about diet, supplements, and lifestyle. As women, we're often juggling so much, family, work, friends, that our own health takes a back seat. But here's the thing, if you keep doing nothing, you'll stay stuck. And that's the last outcome any of us want. This test provides real data-driven answers to your biggest health frustrations. Can your guesswork do that? We're so certain this test will deliver the insights you need that we guarantee you'll discover exactly what's been sabotaging your health. That's how crucial it is to finally understand what's truly going on in your body. If you're ready to learn more and get started, visit naturaldoctorsolutions.com. It's time to know your body's story so you can feel your best inside and out. Let's stop guessing and start testing together. Don't guess, test.